Hello once again and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn English through slideshows, dialogue and discussion, as well as comprehensible input. Continuing on from our lessons for plurals, we are looking at another class of irregular plurals. We can call these ones plurals that don't change. There are some nouns that the singular form is the same as the plural form, so you don't need to remember a singular and plural version of each word. You just need to remember which nouns do not change. Most of the time, in common English, you will find that these are names of animals. Let's have a look. Sheep and fish. One sheep, many sheep. One fish, many fish. These are the most common examples of nouns that don't change regardless of whether they're singular or plural. However, we will also look at some more just for the sake of practice. Deer, many deer. One moose, many moose. One buffalo, many buffalo. One shrimp, many shrimp. Let's look at some of our discussion slides. We're going to visit your grandpa this weekend, but there's nothing to do there. How about talk to your grandpa? There's lots of things to do. Like what? You can play with the animals. He has chickens, 2 cows, and 4 sheep. 4? I thought he only had 3 sheep. They had a baby sheep. Next slide. Hey, can you name some animals with antlers? Sure. Deer, moose, bison, and buffalo. Well, actually, bison and buffalo have horns, not antlers. Oh, but deer and moose are like the same thing, yeah? No, they're different. I see. Why are we talking about this over coffee? Next slide. How many fish did you catch, Jess? None. I didn't catch any fish this trip. But your bucket is full. I thought you would have caught a lot of fish. Normally, we will find 2 or 3 fish. But we went to a different place. My bucket is full of shrimp. How many shrimp did you catch? Too many. Come have a look. Well, that's the end of our session on plurals that do not change. Thank you once again for listening and for paying attention all the way through. If you would like to learn more about plurals or you would like to see more videos in this format, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. It really helps this channel out. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!